When you think of wiretapping, what comes to mind? In the movies, it usually looks like this: a group of secret agents in a van listening to a person's conversation from down the street. You probably don't think of your cell phone as a means of surveillance.
But depending on the type of recording that you're doing with your phone, you may be committing a crime and not know it. Legal editor Julie Grant explains. New at 6.
When you're walking down the street, what do you see? This. People on their cell phones recording videos for their social media. Maybe it's for Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. But how many people stop and think whether they might be breaking the law? We can share from almost anywhere.
God is the greatest.
All you need is a cell phone.
All right, I'm over myself.
A social media platform.
Down with classic. With 50 Cent, look at the man.
And a good internet connection.
I've hired a new glam team.
But a thoughtless recording could get you into legal trouble if you don't follow your state's laws.
It's not a simple thing, especially in Pennsylvania.
Attorney Joseph Mystic is a criminal law expert and professor at Duquesne University School of Law.
The Wiretap Act itself is comprised of 70 pages with the annotations, which is more than the average citizen can get their arms around, let alone lawyers who struggle with it.
Pennsylvania is one of 12 two-party consent states. This means everybody in a private conversation must agree before it can be audio taped. Otherwise, it's a violation of the Wiretap Act and a felony offense.
There are probably people violating this Wiretap Act willy-nilly.
I record videos on Facebook, on Instagram, and Snapchat.
Rajan Kher had never heard of the Wiretap Act, but sees lots of people recording videos with sound every day.
Sometimes I feel even I am in their video somewhere.
When we're out in public, we generally don't have an expectation of privacy, but things can get surprisingly complicated, even in public, if the video is recording audio along with it without someone's permission.
You need to be careful because you will inadvertently pick up conversations for which you have no authority to record.
From a privacy perspective, two-party consent states offer more protection.
The good news is that Pennsylvania zealously protects the right of privacy. So if you look at it from that perspective, this is good news. When you look at it from the perspective of young people who want to use these various social media applications, it's probably not such good news for them because they don't know whether they're committing a third-degree felony or not.
We don't usually hear about these cases heading to court because prosecutors have discretion and may choose whether to pursue them.
In the great overwhelming majority are not prosecuted.
Professor Mystic says people who want to obey the law can be easily frustrated trying to understand what is and isn't a wiretap violation.
As lawyers, we love to be able to show off and tell them it's simple and here's that bright line, just stay on this side of it. But this is one area where we can't.
He adds part of the problem is the Wiretap Act was written before social media ever existed. So before you send your next snap or go live on Twitter, look up from your cell phone and look around you. See if there's anybody close by having what appears to be a private conversation. And if you think your recording might pick it up, it's best to get their permission before you hit record. In Oakland, I'm Julie Grant, KDKA-TV News.